Hello everyone and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet for absolute beginner step by step. So first we need our crochet hook. The bigger the crochet hook you got, the easier the work you do, and you will learn as fast as you can be. So I am using this letter H number 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and then this is the cotton yarn. So to start, we need to make a slip knot. There is so many ways in making a slip knot. Either you do your yarn from top to bottom, making it all the way around into your pinky, then above your middle and ring finger, and grab the yarn underneath your index finger and hold it with your middle finger and your thumb. It's like what I'm doing. So this is how I do my slip knot. I put my crochet hook on top of the yarn, twist it just like that, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the two yarns together tightly. Then it should be loosened up here. Then you can easily just grab the yarn from down or bottom to the top and twist that just like this, and grab it all the way, pull throughing it, and then let go of your middle and thumb finger and hold just the tail and grab it to make it tight. And this is how your slip knot. So now for our chain, you always loosen up the loop in your crochet hook. It's easy for you to work. And now go under the yarn and grab, pull through into the loop. So now you got loop on your very beginning loop, and then this is your second loop. So again, under the yarn, grab it and pull through. Again, grab, pull through. So this is what we call the chain. And the tension of your yarn here, it's not really tight, so that whenever you do the yarn and pull through, it's not gonna make it tight in here, just like what I'm gonna show you here. If I'm gonna hold it really tight in my pinky, it's really hard for you to pull, and it will tighten your work, and it's not gonna be the same loops size. So again, go back to our second loop, pull through, grab, pull through, and grab, pull through, grab, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through. This is what we call a chain. Again, we're gonna do from the very beginning, but this time I'm gonna show you a different ways of knot. So I'm not gonna use a crochet hook, but I will just using my fingers. So just grab the yarn and twist it just like that, then fold it on top, then grab the center of the yarn here, and I think this is the easiest loop that you can make. And then you're just gonna tighten it up a little bit, and this is your slip knot. Again, put this end on top while you're folding the yarn, then fold it on top of the X and grab the middle yarn while holding the tail and the other side of the yarn. And this is your slip knot. Insert your hook, hold the tail on the other side and the other yarn on the other side while you are tightening the loop a little bit, and this will be your slip knot. And then again, put the yarn under the pinky from the top to the bottom, then over the middle and the ring finger, go through under the index, over the index finger, and hold it with your middle and thumb. And hold the tail there. And grab the yarn. You can also, because earlier I showed you how to make it grabbing the yarn underneath. You can also grab the yarn on the front, but it's kind of complicated. See what I mean? Oh, see, it's easier if you do under. If you're making a chain, it should be under like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now if you wish to move it onward and you wanted to stay in the 20th count, you should add one more chain and then insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So this is your hook and this is your first chain, and this will be your second chain. So you will insert the hook here if you are doing a single crochet. Insert your hook and the second chain from the hook. So you already have now a 2 loops on your hook. Now again, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops, and this will be our single crochet. Again, into the next stitch, grab the yarn, you will have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. That's our single crochet 2. Now on our third single crochet, insert your hook again into the next stitch. That will be the 4th chain, because the first single crochet is our second chain, third chain, and fourth chain. Now you got 2 loops onto your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Again, into the next stitch, insert the hook, grab the yarn. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you got 1 loop into your hook, insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and this will be a single crochet. So let's continue by making it a little bit faster. Insert, grab, pull through 2 loops, insert, grab, pull through another yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And this is very easy, guys, once you control the tension from your pinky over here while you are doing the crochet, and holding your yarn with your middle and your thumb is also better if you hold it a little bit like firm, so that it won't go easily go into another way or go to the left or to the right. And this will be our single crochet. So we did the slip knot, the chain, and the single crochet. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope I deliver the tutorial correctly, and please subscribe to my channel and do like and share. Thank you again. Bye bye.